This is the third part of a series on the repair of this old bicycle. The bike itself is nothing special. You can find many of them second hand. It's a 1987 Schwinn WorldSport that I got at a yard sale. Over the past 10 years I rode it as a commuter and I put a lot of miles on it. Previously we looked at installing new brakes. And now it's time to install the brake cables. Because I'm going to reroute the cables, I also have to replace the handlebar tape. And this is not a job I'm really looking forward to. The project is nearing its end. And the bike definitely looks a bit more modern. We will have to wait to see if the installed new components will hold up. Please tune in next episode, where I will try to adjust and fine-tune the brakes.